today we're going to do a video about learning how to do fidget spinners. Okay, so firstly, this is a golden fidget spinner, I know. So we're going to I use it like this. Take my two fingers, put it there, and my thumb, put it there, and just learn to get the balance of it, but then you can actually learn. How to do it. So also, you can actually do it slow, but I like to do it like this. So you can also put it like this and to do cool tricks, just stand on the thumb, you see? Just be careful because even I'm good, but I still fall. So basically you can I learned so grab it and just do this. Can you do that? Okay, see you in the next video, guys. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe. And also, I didn't tell you, I'm new, and this video is called, you can actually look at it, and also you can actually look at it. Let me just look at it. But my channel is Liam's channel. If you can't find me there, just look for Fidget Spinner, Golden, you'll find me there.